Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video description. Today I will talk to you about Expo 70 Commemorative Park. Expo 70 Commemorative Park is located in Suita City, Osaka. It was built on the site of the 1970 World Expo 70. The park's symbol is the Tower of the Sun, a 70-meter tall artwork by Taro Okamoto. This impressive tower attracts many visitors. Inside the tower, there are unique exhibits about the future. The park has a large natural areas with flowers and trees that change with the seasons. In spring, cherry blossom bloom, and it's autumn, the leaves turn red and gold. There are popular times for families and tourists to visit. There are also quiet spots like the Japanese garden and the natural and cultural garden where visitors can relax. Recently, the park has gained attention because of the preparations for the uh, 2025 Osaka Kansai Expo. Near areas, faculties, and being developed, marketing the park even more attractive. Seasonal events, fair markets, and music festivals, and also held here, offering fun activities for everyone. The park is easy to access, just a short walk from the Expo 70 Commemorative Park station on the monorail. With its large space and many things to do, uh, the park is the most visited spot when you come to Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.